Northern California is being hit by another blizzard again this weekend, with this system bringing heavier rain and snow. A blizzard warning takes effect early Saturday and lasts until early Monday. As a cold front sweeps through Northern California, midday rain and snow will arrive on Saturday. The rain, flowing east to west along the front, was heavy but moved fairly quickly. With the rain came strong gusts of wind. Some of the strongest winds can reach 35 to 55 miles per hour, while gusts in the Sierra can reach 70 to 80 miles per hour. Mostly sunny for a few hours in the afternoon, and in the evening, this storm is temporary, as a new round arrives overnight. Road conditions go from bad to worse during the night. Travel is not recommended. Several city, county and state officials are urging people to avoid all travel this weekend if possible. Extended road closures are expected with this storm, including major highways I-80 and US 50. Interstate 80, closed between the Nevada state line and Colfax, with no estimated reopening date. Fixed shutter for I-80 to State Route 174. Big rigs are capsized at Applegate.US 50, between Placerville and Pollock Pines, Kybers and Myers. Poor visibility and numerous accidents, including in the Blue Canyon area, have led to the closure of I-80 in the Sierra, Caltrans says. Western I-80 traffic is halted in Truckee due to multiple spinouts on Donner Summit. California Highway Patrol Truckee says City of Sacramento subject to conditions weather activates truce operations at the Outreach and Engagement Center and the North 5th Street Shelter.